Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever gone on vacation, taken a break, or just needed to step away from work and worried about leaving people hanging in your inbox? Well, in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to set up an out-of-office auto-reply in Gmail for 2025. This way, anyone who emails you while you're away instantly knows when you'll be back and how to reach you in the meantime. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also share a key tip that most people miss when setting this up. Step 1. Access Gmail settings. First, open Gmail on your computer. In the top right corner, you'll see the gear icon. That's your settings. Click it and then select See All Settings from the drop-down. This will take you to Gmail's full settings page. Step 2. Find the vacation responder inside Settings. Make sure you're on the General tab, which usually opens by default. Now scroll down until you see the section labeled Vacation Responder. This is where all the magic happens. Step 3. Activate and configure. To turn it on, check the box that says Vacation Responder On. Next, set your start date and end date. These tell Gmail exactly when to send auto replies. Be accurate so your messages stop at the right time. Then fill in the subject line. A simple example is out of office, back on your return date. Now write your message. This should include when you'll be back and, if needed, an alternate way to reach someone in your absence. Keep it polite, short, and professional. Finally, if you only want your contacts to receive the reply and not random senders or spammers, check the box that says Only send a response to people in my contacts. Step 4. Save your changes. Once you're happy with everything, scroll to the bottom and hit Save Changes. From that moment, Gmail will handle your auto-replies exactly as you've set them. Here's the part many people forget. When your return date comes, Gmail will automatically stop sending replies. But if you come back early or extend your break, you'll want to revisit the settings and adjust the dates manually. That ensures your auto-reply is always accurate. And that's it. You've now set up an out-of-office auto-reply in Gmail. It's a simple step that saves you stress and keeps your professional communication clear while you're away. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick, useful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.